Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Barfy. So today I have a most important topic about our loving female bitch. Here, we cover all things about our furry friends. Today, we're diving into a topic that every dog owner should know about. Dog periods, or more accurately, the heat cycle. This guide will help you understand what to expect, how to care for your dog, and answer some common questions. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to explain what is the heat cycle. First, what exactly is a heat cycle? The heat cycle, also known as estrus, is a natural part of a female dog's reproductive process. This is the period when a dog is fertile and capable of mating and becoming pregnant. Just like humans, female dogs have cycles, but they look and behave quite differently. Secondly, when does it start? So, when does a dog start her first heat? Typically, dogs have their first heat cycle between 6 to 12 months of age, but it can vary. Small breeds may go into heat earlier, sometimes as young as 4 months, while larger breeds might not experience their first cycle until they're 18 to 24 months old. It's important to know the typical range for your dog's breed. Phases of the heat cycle. The heat cycle is made up of 4 main phases, each with its own characteristics. Proestrus. This phase usually lasts 7 to 10 days. You might notice that your dog's vulva is swollen and there is a bloody discharge. During proestrus, female dogs are not ready to mate yet, but may show signs of restlessness or clinginess. Estrus, heat. This phase lasts around 5 to 14 days and is when the dog is fertile. The discharge may change from bright red to a lighter color. This is when the dog is ready to mate and may display behavior that attracts male dogs. Diestrus. The third phase lasts about 2 months, and during this time, the dog's body either begins to return to normal or prepares for pregnancy if mating has occurred. Anestrus. The final phase is a resting period before the next heat cycle begins. This can last 4 to 6 months. How to know that our female dog is in heat? How do you know if your dog is in heat? Here are the common signs. A swollen vulva, bloody discharge that may change in color over time. Behavioral changes like becoming more affectionate or anxious. Frequent urination, which is a way for your dog to mark territory and signal readiness to mate. Knowing these signs can help you prepare and care for your dog better during this time. Most important part, how to care a dog in heat. Caring for a dog during her heat cycle is essential for her comfort and well-being. Here are some tips. Comfort. Make sure your dog has a calm and cozy space to rest. The hormonal changes can make her tired or anxious. Hygiene. Use doggy diapers or lay down absorbent pads to manage any discharge and keep your home clean. Prevent unplanned mating. Keep your dog secure indoors or on a leash during walks. Male dogs can smell a female in heat from far away and will try to approach her. Exercise. It's okay to give your dog light exercise, but avoid any overly strenuous activity that could stress her body. How often does it occur? The heat cycle typically occurs twice a year, or roughly every 6 months. However, this can vary depending on the breed, age, and individual dog. Smaller breeds may cycle more frequently, while larger breeds may only cycle once a year. 7. Spaying and health considerations. If you're not planning to breed your dog, spaying is an option worth considering. Spaying not only prevents the heat cycle, but also brings health benefits, such as reducing the risk of certain cancers and uterine infections. Always discuss with your vet about the best timing for spaying your dog, as it depends on her age and health. Common myths and FAQs. Now, let's tackle some myths and frequently asked questions. Myth: dogs need to have a litter before being spayed. Truth: this is false. There is no medical benefit to a dog having a litter before spaying. FAQ: can my dog go for walks during her heat cycle? Answer: yes, but always keep her on a leash and avoid areas with many male dogs. Remember, consulting your vet for any specific concerns is always the best approach. Conclusion: understanding your dog's heat cycle can make a big difference in how you care for her during this time. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Barfy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more pet care tips, and leave any questions or video requests in the comments below. See you next time.